Customer states no power steering. Look at this light right here. See that? Powered with the automotive jump pack. Boom. Perfect for working on stuff under the lift like this. But check it out. See how good this line looks? See how good it looks? And then bam, just I pulled it out and it just crumbled into a V. Pretty good over here too, just a little surface rust. What causes this? You see that little hold down it was sitting in? That black little hold down? See that? Isn't that crazy? Like, they need to stop using these long plastic hold downs here in the Rust Belt where it gets road salt and moisture retains in there and it just rusts out steel to the point that it's leaking out and you can bend it with one finger, yet we still have solid steel here. So must be nice working down south. But anyways, they got a lot better stuff than those plastic hold downs that will make lines and stuff last a lot longer. We're gonna go ahead and chop it there and there. See how the rust almost instantly stops where the plastic stopped? And you get yourself a compression fitting. It's a power steering line, it's fine. And push them together because we do have some play. It goes up the rubber. This isn't high pressure. And push it together a little bit, put your fitting in, pop it back up in there, you're good to go. Fill it up with power steering fluid and see if the power steering pump is not trashed. Turns out I'm all a lot of 3/8 unions and compression fittings, so I went with hose. Make sure you get the right style of hose. Like, don't use fuel hose for power steering. You know, you're gonna want like transmission, power steering, hydraulic hose. So I got chunks of that laying around. Then we got fuel injection clamps. These clamps are really nice. They get, as you can see, almost too tight, like they're cutting into the rubber. So I didn't tighten it as much as I could. This one's got a little bend to it, like, ooh, I tightened it a lot. But these are awesome because we don't have a flare, a lip, a bubble. We just cut smooth line with the metal line cutter. But we're repaired. I was doing a tire for him today. I was like, yo, you're leaking like a son of a bitch. Let's fix it. And we'll tuck that back in and pour some fluid in so that he doesn't burn out his pump. But right here's the fuel injection clamps. You can find all the stuff I use, including these. I buy them by the bucket. I gotta buy another box of 3/8 fittings and stuff. It's in my Amazon store, link in bio, check it out. Support a homie. That's just what we're doing today. A little inspection, tire, and fluid leak fix. Oh shit, guys, that wasn't a power steering line. That was a transmission line. Pulled in with the power steering not working, so I was just like, power steering line. Power steering takes Mercon 5. Transmission takes Mercon LV. So, you know, didn't know. I wasn't paying attention. And I broke the clicker off a ratchet yesterday. I was wondering where that went. I'm just sitting here filming this video and sitting on the floor. Lifetime warranty, baby. But anyways, yeah, that was a transmission line. Sometimes I say the wrong thing in my videos, and oftentimes I don't correct it. I'm going to correct this one. Transmission line. Same difference. It'll still work.